What you guys, got another video here for you. Windows 11 just got worse. More Microsoft Bloat has been added to Windows 11, and that's what we're going to be taking a look at today. Now, never believe for 1 minute that Microsoft would stop adding bloat into their operating system, because it seems that is the direction which is what they're going. So you can see we're running Windows 11 Pro 25H2, and we do have the latest version right here. I'll just quickly check to make sure we have all the latest updates for this particular build, which we should have. And if you haven't got this already, you will be getting it within the next few days. If you've already got this feature turned off, then you might not see it. Or if you're using a lightweight version of Windows 11 or a debloated version of Windows 11, you're probably not going to see this particular feature anyway. But for the majority of people, they will. And where is it? Well, if we go down to the search area, you can see they've done quite a bit inside here. This is the area right here. You used to have an image going all the way across the top here, but now they've added in a daily quiz. So we have obviously image of the day. So you got the Pacific Rim Wow Festival. Now, granted, it does look a lot more organized, but we don't need image of the day, and we don't need a daily quiz, which animals are otters most closely related to. So let's go ahead and I'll choose beavers. And what it's going to do is open up their Bing search and go into their Microsoft Edge. So it's to get you to use their browser. And this is what it's going to be, basically, is to keep you on the platform and using their software, which is Microsoft Edge and Bing Search. And that's what it's all about. So when we go back into search here, you'll see that there is other areas, which is what they've done as well. So this is your question of the day. It's going to stay there, and they'll get another question tomorrow, and you'll get another image tomorrow. And again, you're going to get top apps. These are your 4 top apps. I mean, as if you're going to go into this location to click on one of your top apps. Of course, settings is going to be one of your top apps, and so is File Explorer. We've already got it on the taskbar, and we've already got it on the start menu. We don't need it in any more places. And Microsoft are thinking, what else can we bloat up the search place with? Well, let's just add in quote of the day and word of the day. I mean, come on. Who wants to click on this every day just to go and see what word of the day is? I mean, if you want to find out this stuff, there's plenty of other options to do this, like using a AI bot or something like that. But again, this is going to change daily. So if you're interested in this, by all means, keep it on your system. But I'll quickly show you a quick tip on how to basically disable all of this bloat that is probably not necessary for most people. Trending searches, meningitis outbreak, and a bunch of other stuff here. This is obviously going to take you to news outlets on, of course, Bing. And again, games for you. And again, if you fancy having a little game here, you can do by clicking on here. And there'll be a bunch of advert games or paid up games on here, which you can take a look at. Again, you can do that also on the Microsoft Store. If you have that installed on your system, you're not going to need it on here. So it seems like they're just trying to fill up a load of places rather than having a blank area. They're just looking at filling this up with more bloat, more ads, more rubbish that people don't need. And of course, you've got trending news from the web. Well, you've got a widget over there which is full of news which you can look at, and you've got also recipes here as well. So as if you can't use the search engine for that. So it's just more bloat, more filler really to fill up this placement. And this is what they're doing. They're just trying to fill that space. And of course, you still got this pointless internet search on the right here. If you want to search for something here, I don't know anyone who uses that. You can turn that off as well. I've made videos on that. But if you want to go and get rid of all of this, it's pretty straightforward. Go into your settings panel and go to privacy and security, and look for search down here. It's this one here. And inside here, you're looking for show search highlights. Toggle this off right here. And there's a bunch of other stuff in here I'll turn off, but we're just going to concentrate on show search highlights. And what this will do is it will remove all of that filler, basically all that bloat that they've added into the search box. Now, when you go back in here, you'll see it's still there. You've got to open it a couple of times, and there we go. We're back to this right here. And I think what Microsoft have done, they've created this big search panel here, and they've just filled it with more ads and links to pointless stuff that you don't need. You've already got a supersize start menu. We already have a bloated now search box as well, and if you want to toggle it back on, you can do, and have it back to the way it was by just going back and toggling it on and off here. But this is the problem. Microsoft have a widget down there which has news on it. Why would you need it inside here? I don't know. Why would you need top apps there? You don't need it. You already have top apps. You've already got access to games inside the Microsoft Store. You already have all this stuff already on your PC. You don't need it 3 times over just to bloat the PC out even more. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments section down below, what you think of this extra added bloat into the search box. I'll be happy to read your comments. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Just want to say a quick shout out to my YouTube members. I appreciate the support. If you haven't joined our Discord yet, the link is in the video description. Bye for now.